You saw that, right? Look how easily it came off the bone. This juicy, succulent chicken leg was baked in the oven with zero oil.
Through this video, I just want to encourage more people to switch to oven cooking. You end up saving so many calories because honestly, you don't need oil or maybe just a few drops. Plus, with bone-in cuts like chicken legs and thighs, all the natural fat just melts and drips off while baking. So in the end, what you get is pure juicy protein without the guilt.
Let me show you how to make this sweet and spicy Asian style marinade. Start with a few fresh garlic cloves, chop them nice and fine. Into a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of honey, chili flakes, the chopped garlic, and just a pinch of salt. Whisk it all together. And that's our flavor-packed marinade. Take 2 medium chicken legs, roughly 400 grams, pour the sauce all over and rub in all that goodness. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Then bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Look how much it's reduced. That's all the excess fat dripping off. What's left is pure flavor and protein. Just look at the texture. No oil but still perfectly juicy and tender.
Thank you, beautiful people, for watching till the end. Eating like this has helped me lose 27 kilos and now it's helping me build lean muscle. If you're on the same journey, make sure you subscribe for weekly easy high protein recipes.